Everyone, today I am going to show you a little bit about Google Slides. The good thing about Google Slides is if you know how to use PowerPoint, then you know how to use Google Slides. So I'm just going to show you a few things that are a little bit maybe different. So you're going to go into your apps and you're going to go to Google Slides. And you can create pretty much anything in here. I've done a ton of different slides. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a new presentation. And as you can see, it looks exactly like PowerPoint. So there are a few things that are great about this. The first thing is that it automatically saves to your Google Docs, so you can find it no matter, it's not going to disappear. It's automatically saving all the time. You can do whatever layout you like. It's all very similar themes, layouts and backgrounds and that kind of stuff. So to make it whatever you want to make it. The thing that I think is cool about it is when you go to insert an image, you can actually search Google Images because it's already connected to it. So that is pretty cool. You don't have to go in and out, in and out. It's just go ahead and search right from there. I think that's a great feature. You guys are able to use Google Classrooms, so you also will be able to assign a different slide for each student, which is great because when they type in it or when they interact with it, it then gives you immediately, you can go in and look at it. If you've ever used Wixie before, it's very similar. So in order to do that, you would just go in and you would make a copy. You can select a slide's entire presentation, whatever it is you want to do, and then you would assign one to each student. And that would be through Google Classroom. I am not an expert on Google Classroom because unfortunately Baltimore County does not allow us to use it. But once you put it in, it should assign a copy to each student. And then they can go in, they can manipulate it. You can watch what they're doing. I did that with memory books at the end of the school year. I did one for each student and they got to go in and put their favorite memories in. So that was pretty neat. It has the present just like in PowerPoint. So you can do it in big form. Now, if you're doing it in present mode, you're not going to be able to manipulate anything. So if you want students to be able to click and drag or type or whatever, you have to do that in the edit version. But if you're just showing them, then you can present it that way. This is pretty cool. You would click the share button. I need to give it a name. So go ahead and give it a name, which saves it. Now, you won't have this. This is specific to Baltimore County Public Schools. I just happen to be on my school computer. But this gives me the opportunity to make it a BCPS link. You're just going to go ahead and press copy link. And then you can add that into your Google Classroom. You can send that out as an email. You can do anything with it. Or you can go ahead and invite people to share it with if you have their emails this way. So that's pretty great. You can do it both ways. That would be how to share it. There's not a lot that's different from PowerPoint. So, you can just go in and sort of play around with it, make your presentation. And then whenever you log into Slides, it's going to show you all of your presentations right here, everything you've done. And these are not all, a lot of these were made on Google Docs. So, but everything is just shared together. And these were my little memory books that I had for the kids, at the end of last year. But that is pretty much Google Slides. It's very easy to use and, good luck with that.